Chalk Nation? It's your girl Chalk, and we are finally back with another video. Now, from the title and the thumbnail of this video, y'all already know I got a SHEIN Spring press-on nail haul for y'all. But before I get into the nails, I just thought I'd give y'all a quick life update and let y'all know what has been going on with your girl. So basically, life has been lifing, y'all. And when I say that, I don't mean that in a bad way. Life has been lifing in a good way. It's just pretty much been me finding balance, okay? That has been a challenge for me because, for one, I got a new job. I'm working a lot more. I'm also making more time to work on my fitness and health. So your girl been in the gym trying to... I've been getting my swole on a little bit. Not too swole, because we trying to bring it down. We trying to lose a few, but we also trying to tone up and get stronger and just feel more confident and just be that girl. So that's what I've been working on as well. Okay, because we trying to give that girl this summer. Body needs to be tea, okay? But not even just for the summer, just for life. You know, I want to make my health and my fitness a whole lifestyle change, because not only does being in the gym help me physically, it also helps me mentally. Especially after a long day, when I hit the gym, I feel so much better. Like, y'all have no idea. And I'm gonna do more of content showing you guys what I'm doing in the gym, what I'm eating. I know I've done it before and I fell off, but this time I am not finna fall off. Y'all gonna see what it is. But we're gonna save that conversation for another video. I don't want to hold y'all there too long because we gotta stay here. I need y'all to stay here with me because y'all gotta see these nails. Oh, and then also I needed to get another device to film my videos on, because my poor little iPhone SE that I've had for 5 years, that's how I've been filming my content. It wasn't saving any of the content that I was doing, and my phone was just going haywire. It gave all it could give until it couldn't give no more. So I ended up having to upgrade my phone. So now I got a brand new iPhone and I got a watch to go with it. I love this thing. I don't know why I didn't get one sooner. But so I got all my devices. I think I'm becoming a tech girl, y'all. I love technology and things. So yeah, now that we got the new phone, we back on and we finna get into this content, and I can't wait for y'all to see all the things that I have coming with my channel. And thank y'all for hanging in there with me. So shout out to all my loyal day one subscribers, and also shout out to all my new subscribers, because even though I haven't even been able to put out content, I've gained a lot of subscribers. So hey, new subscribers, welcome to the Chalk Nation. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, new, old, and in between. So thank y'all so much. And now we can get into this SHEIN haul, because I got some spring nails, some nail and toenail sets that I want to show you guys. And it's been a long time coming, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into the first set. Okay. So this is the first set. It's a yellow stiletto set, and this color is perfect for spring and can transition to summer as well, because you know all the yellows and pinks and blues and greens is perfect for spring and summer. So I'm gonna turn my camera angle so that I could better show you guys how these nails look outside of the box. This set is so cute, y'all. I love me a good stiletto set. It comes with a nail file and nail stickers. Of course, I don't use the nail stickers, but they're there if you like to stick on your nails. I prefer glue because I like to wear my nails for at least 5 to 10 days. And most of the time I add a base coat and a top coat over the top of the nails just so that they can last longer. But looking at this set, you definitely don't need a base coat and a top coat. They're already pretty thick and shiny, and they're definitely giving acrylic or a set that somebody would get done professionally. These nails are so well made, and they are so pretty and perfect for spring. Okay, I had to turn the ring light on so y'all can see me real good. Y'all like my hair? I just did my braids a couple days ago. Some box braids, more Hair tutorials will be coming as well. And never mind my gray baby hairs, okay? Your girl is 39, okay? I turned 39 in January, so our wisdom is kicking in. But don't even trip, because we still look cute and we don't even look our age. People don't even be thinking I'm 39. So anyways, let me shut up and get back into the video. The next set that I have, I actually ordered this set before and I had to order it again because it is so cute. Okay, this is a matching press-on nail and toenail set. So it comes with 24 nails and 24 toenails. And this is what the nails look like outside of the box. Like I said, this is my second time ordering this set. I did order this set a few months back and I absolutely loved it so much that I had to just order it again. I mean, get into the flowers, get into the 3D nail art, the bling. Like, the colors are so pretty. The blue, the pink, and the yellow go so well together. And these are also perfect for spring and summer as well. The toenails are really cute too. They are a pink French tip. And then you have the 3D nail art on some of the big toenails. And then also the smaller toenails come in different colors on the tips. And it's just overall a cute set. Okay, next up, we got another matching nail and toenail set. Now, this set is very simple and elegant, but I love a cute, simple set as well. Everything don't always have to be so extra. This set gives exactly what it is supposed to give. I love the chunky rhinestones. I love the smaller rhinestones that's going against the V-cut French tip on the nails. And then the toenails have that cute blinged out heart on the center of the big toenails. And then all of the other toenails have a French tip. And even though this set is on the simple side, it still gives. Okay, so next up, I got this set right here. It did not come with matching toenails, but since I'm in that phase where I really want my nails and my toenails to be coordinated, I also ordered some toenails to go with these nails. So if you like me and you like your nails and toenails to match, but you can't find a set that's already put together that you really like, they also have separate nail and toenails that you can just put together and make your own matching set. But get into these nails. I love the designs on these nails. I love all the 3D nail art, the bling, the hearts, the stars, the leopard print mixed with the zebra print that's on the nails. There's a lot going on these nails, but I absolutely love these. I love me a set that got a lot going on. I ain't even gonna lie, I am not really a simple nail girly. I love my nails to really stand out, so these nails are perfect for my girlies that like their nails to stand out and just pop. And these are definitely popping. They're definitely attention grabbers, and we love that. I love that for me. So this is what the toenails look like that I got to go with this set. They're pretty simple, just a white French tip, and then some of the toenails have a little bling on them. So the toenails are not doing too much. The nails that I got to go with, I'm gonna be doing all the talking. Now, some of y'all might crucify me in these comments over these last two sets, but when I saw them, I was like, I'm getting me some auntie nails. I don't care what nobody say, okay? I'm low-key auntie anyway, so let's get into them. They have brought back the iconic curved auntie nails. Okay, if you grew up in the 90s, 80s, this was the style of nails that walked so all these other nails could run. So let's get into them. Now, long curved nails are not for the weak. So if you don't really know what you're doing with these, I do not advise that you get these, because these are nails for the OGs, okay? Anybody 35 and over know what to do with these. You youngins, I don't know. These might be out of your league. Some of y'all might be like, I know Chuck did not get these nails, but yes, Chuck did. And the only thing that I don't like about them is that they have like a line that is very distinct that you can see. I don't know why they just didn't make it all one solid color. Like, I think they were trying to make it to where it's more lighter towards the cuticle and then gets darker as you go up the nail, but the line that separates the two is very distinct. So I don't really like that, but I guess they were trying to give it kind of a natural nail look. Now this one, and y'all see that curve? Yeah, you can't be playing with these if you don't know what you getting yourself into, or if you're not used to wearing long curved nails. But I really just got these because it took me back to the 90s, very nostalgic. My aunties and everybody used to wear nails like this, and I really love how history just repeats itself, just so I can relive a little piece of my childhood. I couldn't wear nails like that because I was a kid when those were in style, but baby, I am a full-grown adult, so I will be reliving that childhood fantasy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Every set from this haul will be linked in the description of this video. If you are viewing this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is dropping. Make sure you guys also like this video and drop a comment and let me know how y'all feel about these sets that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.